We are working on chapter 8, programming challenge 6. And this programming challenge is to search a phone number or a person in a list of names and show their name and their phone number. So to create, we will create a class called Telamarkating phone numbers, and we will create a main method. Before that, we have to create an array list. That takes a string. We'll call names array list, and then we'll say static array list string phone numbers array list. Then I will paste the phone numbers. Here are the names of the people, and here are the sample phone numbers from the book description. I got the names and the phone numbers from the book description. So they said we have to ask the user to enter a name that he or she wants to search. You will say enter a name or a part of a name. You say string name sc next line, and then we will say search name, and it will take name. We'll create the method, and first thing would be to create an index to 0, and then we'll say for string I will say x colon names, then if x contains the name, then we want to display it, and we will say name colon name x plus tab, and we will say phone numbers get index, but we have to increment the index here if we found someone that contains the name that we are looking for. And before the for loop, we want to create a space and heading, and I think that would be it for this class. So let's run the program. And let's say we are looking for a person called Smith. There are 2 people in the list, so we have to get their numbers, their phone numbers, both of them. So I will just write SM and hit enter. As you can see, their phone numbers and their names would appear, right? But if I just want to find a Smith Williams, and I just write Williams here, William, then I will get a Smith William with their phone number. How about if I want to find James? Yeah, here is his number. How about if I want to find Harrison, but I only have his last name? Would I find it? Let's say Ross. Yes, we will find it. It's really easy to use this kind of program. So that would be it for this programming challenge, and I'll see you next time for the next programming challenge.